Okay, everyone, please stand for a prayer. Thank you.
Bless us this day, and as we forgive those who sin against us. We pray after the test of the Amen.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Sir Magamay. Welcome to grade 11 Makini. Mabuhay.
Okay, so before you take your seats, can you arrange your chairs for each of those first and last one? Take your seats. Okay, so we're going to have our new lesson for today. So this is again under our subject is principles of parenting. Before we go on to our topic or lesson, I'm going to ask first for the attendants who are absent, or the students who are absent for today.
Absent, Takibel, Chelsea, and Tassel, and Julie.
Okay, so there's two students who is the especially active with special participation sa bata. This is maganda. So before again we go on to our lesson, anyone who has to remember our lesson yesterday? Okay, ayun po. Our lesson yesterday.
Crisis that we
Okay, we had our lesson was all about price. We also discussed about pricing strategies and also pricing themes. You can still remember. So for this time, we are going to discuss. So first, I'm going to say first what are the rules. In any classroom or in any subject, your teacher will give you the rules of the classroom rules. So it is being abbreviated by the word be smart, especially the word smart. So S stands for you're going to say please and thank you. So it is important to say or to respect each one, especially their activities that you're going to do or you need to do. So you need to say please or thank you to your classmates. Another one, we have M. We're going to make friends and also be kind. And of course, we are expected that you're all friends here in this class. Wala ko sa grade 1. Kung kakain ng grade 2. Ay mga nagkabigay yung nag-network. Wala na. So A is always give your best. You need to perform or you need to give your best in doing the activity or the things that you need to do this time. So if there are, you're going to raise your hand if you have something to share or if you can answer the question, so can you raise your hand. So that's the proper way. And then number 3, you need also to think before you act or even before you say. So kailangan wala ka to sakto. Pag-iwan, sakto ako ang istorya. And once naka-act ka ng word or something negative or wrong na action, hindi na siya mabalik no. Ma-hire lang ka sa akong istorya or sakit na ka or action na ito ang mabalik. So klaro?
Sir.
Of course, also to understand or comprehend kung sa nasa video, okay, there are questions that you need to answer after this video. So I hope you're going to listen or watch this and then review. So let's start.
Ito yung atrasahan niya na yung mo, tatay mo, sa akin. Para magiging lang sa mga lupang hindi ginagawa yun. Kailangan ng tapang para makapagbigay na rin ng tapang sa iyo. Para sa pamilya ko, sa kayo ng bata niya. Para kung masaya ito ang mga nila.
Alright, so these are the following questions you need to answer. So again, can you raise your hand if you're going to share something based on the short video that we just watched? So letter A, what was the video all about? Anyone? Okay, very good. Okay, very good. So it's all about having receipts. Receipts. Right? So it's all about a particular product. So that was being shown there, especially in Nescafe. So balutan na kasi may nagdirect na sa kape. Siguro to doon. Usually, ang market niya is mga idala na mga mabagtapa or mga tibuwang. So mga paborito kaya nila. Siguro po. Pero ako niyo is more on services we like to provide. Marami na ako doon ay mga security guard. Usually, kape na ilang ilang. Okay, next, letter B, what particular motivational message can we add that captivated you the most? Okay, we have Sir Dick. Bumangon para sa pangarap sa pamilya. Okay, very good. So, bumangon para daw sa pangarap sa iyang pamilya. So, I hope na, or I know makarelate ka. Especially sa mga mahirap na nasa student. So, lagi mo yung dream or lagi mo yung mga inspiration. We have our inspirations in mind, especially our families. That's why you are here para ipadayo sa mga kamandon or even working on okay. Joining universities. So, yan ang balita. So, yan ang informasyon natin mga kamandon na even our parents, that's why they're sitting in here. There are dreams or nasa yung mga visions na wala nila na mobile. So, bago mo ako yung hospital nila para at least makalayo kung sa kanilang mga pamilya. So, letter C, what we make is particular for advertisement attractive or captivating the public. Why siya very good, so that's correct. So especially kung nindot ang mo ang video, the quality of the video will also attract. And also the actors and the actresses na portray or the performance that will also attract sa mga. Or even the message itself, hindi mo tandaan, sa pilit na wala na sa video, you're just going to listen to the video. Kaya kayo makuha na something na positive or mga captures sa inyo mga. Kaya yung mga ibang iwan na iwan kayo na kailangan nyo ng lakas para makakapag ka ng lakas para sa kaban. That's very good. Especially ang last mo yung later of kayo nga paano na kinalaman for so letter D, do you think or this kind of TV ad plays an important role in the market and why? Okay, we have Johnny.
Yes, sir. It is important for the market para mas makagain ka more customer kay sa TV ad gusto nila makita kung sa kanino kami mga product may mga advertise para mas ma-enjoy nyo sila ng palitan ng mga product.
Okay, very good. So that's very true. So, especially visually, learners, very conceptual and so makita na to the product itself. For example, sa product. So TV ad, it's a great, it plays an important role in the market, especially if you are a seller or not kay products and categories. Dali na ito ma-editing, dali na ito ma-maigan nyo ang mga buyers or the sellers itself, mapalit sa product na itong makita sa mga. So again, I'm going to emphasize with that message sa video. Meron na pag may inahangat, may tapak para kumakas. So again, inahangat, we will have our desire, our dreams, or our goals in life. So dami tayo marriage. Pero ito sa kapuyo ng tapag. Prefer to think of our family. So yung mga igso, ikaw na ng kailangan. Dapat kami sila, dapat ang trabaho. Kasi sa akin, nakakay mga igso, nakakay pamilya, mga itaran na, nangyat ka ng trabaho. Nangyat sa eskwela. Para yun lang sa itong kagalingon, but also to the family na nanginanglan sa tuwa. Okay? So, tuloy na kapag. So our objective is we're going to define and identify the relevant promotional tools to create awareness and persuade the target market for buying the product or product lines and service. Yun na define. Define na po, identify na po kung saan po mga relevant promotional tools are going to discuss. And then you're going to, or you're also expected to understand how and when to use these 5 relevant promotional tools. So again, what's our objective? Pwede mo basa ka rin?
Define and identify relevant promotional tools to create awareness and persuade the target market to buy the product or patronize the service.
Okay, so that's our objective. So first activity that we're going to have, again, it's about picture class activity. You're going to work and place a printed picture assigned in every group. So dapat itong looking picture that you're going to forward the part of that paper na ito yung ipapasok and also the blue and yung ganito. So you're going to arrange also after ma-paste yung kanan na pagluting ng mga picture into one picture. Hindi mo siya kansira ng jump numbers na sa ubos. So I'm going to divide the class into 5 groups. So we'll start from number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now ito ang group 4 and 5 na tumarang ako. So group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5. Again, group 1, grade 2, 3, 4, group 5. Okay, 5. Okay na. Sa mga group. 5. Pwede po limang basa. Sige. Sige. Nagtanga sa inyo. Ayaw sa informa. Ikuha na nila ako sa inyo. Nagtanga yung mga ayaw sa informa. Nagtanga. Make sure ang blue muna sa kumagas. I-check natin yung blue kung paano siya tulo. Diba? Nara? Nara? Okay, gawas. Nagtanga na lang ang upload pagkuhan nyo. Tanawa ang envelope kung wala kayo nasulaya sa forma, wala kang mamahasa. Again, the first group na makuha, we have 10 points. The second group, after ninyo makuha, then sulat ang answer sa opos, sa galan sa likod. Ito lang, makita ka dito. Kaya naman mo. Then the last group will have 6 points. Okay, so the top of 3, we're going to start. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, mas siguro na siya sa long na paper, pero glong na siya, make sure na Okay, pag na-form na ninyo, then nasulat ang jumbled letters na sa boss, kindly erase your paper. Pag-gani, pagkapunta, siya hindi ako lang na sa office. Alright, we contain against the size of the picture. So, equal ang size. Alright, na dyan. Tanawa lang. Tanawa lang. Adjust na lang. Ito ba? Patapot. Bili siya kasi go. Sige, go. May lang sa ito. Kayo ang gani yung kaya sa likod na lang sila. Okay, so the answer sa opus. Si answer ninyo na gusto nyo ng jumbled letters sa opus. Wala din. Wala. Group 1.
Price.
Okay, next second we have group 5. And then may gana sa likod mo. Size ay matayin na ang band paper o 2. Diba? Ako ay second naman. Wala mo? Okay, very good. Next. Matayin yung 3. Nagagalit ako ang kakalik. Ayun number 3. Okay, pwede naman malikot ang naman. Wala pa naman, later on, ito ang mananataw sila or kung sa'y may pwedera na nakajangkot. Okay, anyway, can sit down, palayan sa ta. Ayun lang, buksan na lang yan. Ay naraman sa race of Okay, so there are questions first based on the activity na we have done. What strategy you use as a group in doing the task? So especially ang galing ng mga kasi strategy ngayon yung ito. So aim mo ka mo. Sige, go. Pwede man mo akin. So what strategy ngayon yung ito para na umalog ka rin?
Ako'y nagtapunta sila may nag-work.
Okay, very good. So there must be a teamwork and cooperation. Kasi the group, natali sa common room. Okay, nasayasay na yun ang sanyang hapon. Maglahi ka mo, kaya sila nagpuan pa, nakatapon nila. Wala kayo na. That's why may important for So for the last group, for the 2 groups na wala ka naman, what are the problems or challenges that you encountered while doing that activity? Angela.
Okay, na-pressure ni Sir kasi ano sa mga malamig na tapos hindi ko
Sabi ko mo sa letters na suppose, kaya dito listen sa sila. Okay, so very good. So, pressure, isa pa na factor na topic ko na wala kang samot kayo mo ba? banat na umara sila kung wala pa mo nawan. So, sure. Number 3, what did you learn from this activity that we can also apply in our real life?
Ako ang nalilili kay as a senior high student, so di ba, hectic kayo ng schedule, we have a lot of fun, like assignments, mga projects, so we need ng time management. Okay, kung kagulo kang balance of fun, so dali pa dili ka mag-cram o ma-stress. Also, mag-hapuan, teamwork. Okay, also, karon di ba, stress ka, so although ba ng coach, saka ng sa'yo na siya tanawag, pero hindi siya mabuhat na ito, hindi para. Kaya madali-dali na ito.
Okay, so in theory, sa komento lang, so especially time management, kung saan yung pag-budget o pag-manage sa inyong time para dali mo mga especially teamwork with your group members, dapat pinabangay para dali mo mga so, based also on this application, bisa ka picture nga aning group, nasa group number 5, okay, so personal, kasi answer, personal setting. So that's a picture na ako ni, emphasize also that health is wealth, or especially kita ng mga estudyante, or kita ng mga buyers, consider na ako ang pagpalit ng mga pagkaon. So, dapat healthy na kanulay with also the foods that we are going to eat. So, dapat i-consider natin ang mga fruits and vegetables na sa market. Ang dali natin mapalit. Kaya wala yung mga fresh and healthy foods na pinangga na ako. Kanulay, kanulay, compared to sige na mo junk foods, sige na mo soft drinks nila. So, really siya healthy. One picture also, it emphasizes how important, especially if you engage yourself in selling activity or if you're a seller, so dapat na personality na kasi pakita sa body. Smiling. Okay, very good. Approachable. So, smiling si ate. Okay. It's one way na makainag yung customers. Smiling face ka, kabalit ka, iman sa ibang customers, and then you don't have the approachable customer. So this slide, so based on the picture, what do you think is our topic today? Okay, example na sir sila, sa topic na mo. Okay, Abdalin.
Promotional tools.
Okay, very good. So it's all about, we're going to discuss about the different promotional tools. Okay, so we have promotional tools, so we have the 5 relevant promotional tools. When we say relevant, it's not relevant. Kaya sometimes sa word na relevant. Isaya. Ha?
Specific.
So, specific, pwede. Isa pa. Useful, very good. More importante, di ba? Relevant, or kung sa'yo pangita mo applicable siya, relevant siya. So, appropriate siya sa ato ang lugar at sa mga pangita mo career or business, these are the 5 important or relevant promotional tools. We have advertising, sales promotion, personal selling, public relations, and also direct marketing. So, what is promotional tool? Kaya yung basa pa lang.
Promotional tools in marketing are the different methods businesses use to advertise and sell their products or services. These tools help attract customers and increase sales.
Okay, so these tools are important in marketing because these are again different methods of pamaagi and how you're going to, let's say, promote. So, ano mo pag-promote? Kaya manaman na sa product, manaman sa price, discuss mo na yung mga place, nakakaroon sa promotion. So, it's one way on how we're going to promote a particular product or services. So, these are the methods and the tools that we need to use or we can use that are also applicable in a business, especially someday when engaged with the business, magamit din siya ng mga tools. So, these tools, again, magtama na siya to attract your customer, attract yung mga customer, and also to increase the sales. So, na-increase nga ng sales. Ang mga halindera, so madaghan siya. Kaya nagamit na ng tools na So, the first tool that we have is advertising. So, when we say advertising, this is when the businesses pay. So, when I pay, bayad ka. kay especially kung pa-advertise ka sa TV, sa radyo, or even the newspaper na kay bayad ka. So, to show their products on TV, social media, newspapers, or websites to reach a large audience. So, it helps create awareness for their or attract customers. Even ngayon sa social media, wala ng mga ads na tumakita sa social media o sa mga Facebook, bayad na sila, advertisers na bayad na sila. So, again, nagamit niya siya, common examples niya, kung siya nasa TV, sa social media, newspapers, or websites to reach a large audience, advertising. Tumadugan ng mga ads, o mga pang-advertise. Pwede makita natin sa TV, sa internet, or madugan natin dito sa radyo, or makita natin sa newspaper, ang kind of advertisement na naatira. So these are the common examples. Mabasa. Mabasa ka naman? Okay, so sa doon nila, alam mo basa, the common examples of advertising
Are TV commercials, radio ads, billboards, and outdoor ads, social media ads, print ads like newspaper and magazines, digital ads like online banner ads and club apps, influencer marketing like well-known influencers and content creators.
Okay, so alright, so those are the common examples of advertising. That's very common kay common pwede na ito makita na madunggan. Especially with the use of the internet o sa Facebook or any social media that you have. So, connecting mga ads na parang o makita mo. Or even sa inyong galing na account, na-engage ka o online selling. So, you can also promote your products pinagi sa inyong pag-post using your social media account. Although wala ka ng bayan, kahit mga walang kaunang mo ng account, usually the concept niya is mga advertisers, nagbayad sila to advertise their products or services. So this is just overview of pila ang gusto paano advertise ako sa TV. So it will cost, nalakad ako. Normally duration niya is 30 seconds. Ang ads ito maganda sa TV, normally ang real time for duration last much of 30 seconds. Nalakad na niya ang ads. So, ang iyong cost, pag-advertise kung prime time, pwede mga time na tayo nag-dapat, especially after mga alas 6 mo gabi, alas 20 sa gabi, alas 50, so nagana pa lang tao, kaya nagana ng pamilya sa balay. So, those are the prime time hours, kung ilang tao sila. It depends also the station kung asa nila advertise. Yung cost is about 450,000. So, nagana ang mga ang GMA na 50,000, kung hindi kayo sikat ng GMA na 300 or 250,000. So, yan ang kagasto na advertise sa TV, especially national network. Then, we also have sa radyo, medyo, hindi naman sa mahal, kaya radyo naman siya. Pero, kung sabi, ang kita, ang local radyo lang, sa Congo radyo lang, 6,500, so na ay 11,693,000. So, nanagapon ka gasto kung mag-advertise na sa radyo or sa TV, accounts mo sa TV. Then, the second one, we also have the sales promotion. So, these are the, alam ko basa?
These are common order deals like discounts, coupons, or buy one get one free offers to encourage people to buy quickly. They make products more appealing and boost sales.
Okay, so short term. Ano short term naman siya? Okay,
Hindi man siya for long term ginagamit, walang sarang.
Maraming sana siya. When talking about sales promotion, usually mga peak seasons or katong mga seasonal, like December, usually makakonta tayo mga promo o yung mga bundle nila or may one take one. Okay, or anniversary nila, or celebrating their anniversary para mahalin ang iyang product. So, hindi siya ang long term, hindi naman kanunay ka-open or ka-offer sila sa promo. So, parang naman, i-report ang mga tao, so sakay ko ng mga tinaan. So, kaunsan nila, mag-offer sila ang sale or discounts para mahalin or mahulog ang ilang mga baligya. Especially December, ganun din mga promo or sales promotions. Again, discounts, buy one get one, or buy one take one, offers to encourage people to buy quickly. Diba? Kamu na kayo kwarta, diba? Takang mga dahil promo. So, ito mga buyer, dahil ganito ako palit sila. Malako rin, nakapromo yung mga palit ka. So, we have the common examples also of sales promotion. Ano ito basa nila?
The common
common examples of sales promotions are discounts in price cuts, coupons, buy one get one, bundle offers, loyalty programs, contests, and sweepstakes, sampling and free trial, flash sales, cashback offers, and rebates.
Okay, so these are also the common effective sales promotion tools. So, pili magamit mo. Again, we have the discounts and price cuts. Na 50% off or na discounts sa value. We have the buy one, take one, or buy one, get one. Or take one na naman for one. So, loyalty programs, rewards cards. So, if you're a member of Prince or Mercury Brand, so nasa yung mga loyalty cards na pwede mo bayad ka, so 100, so para sila yung points karon. So it's one way of sales promotion. You can also earn points and mga pamalit na products. Para ito mga points, pag nako mo siya, pwede mo siya ma-redeem. Pwede mo siya bayad sa mo siya ng points. So we also have flash sales like sa online shopping, or Lazada or Toro shopping, or usually sa Bulan, free, or 4-4, 8-4, March 3, so 5-5, so nasa yung mga sales. Then bundling deals like buy 3, get 1. So we also have the coupons and mga vouchers. So example na siya, how you're going to compute the sales discount. So sige ito pa. Server. So you're going to find the discount amount. For example, ang presyo ng mga bundle, we're gonna lagyan jollibee is, presyo niya is 150. So ilang percentage of ilang discount? 20% off. So after sa minus 150, 1 to 20%. So 20% of 150, that is 30. 30 minus ito sa 150. So ato na lang ang bayaran is 120, or simply i-multiply na 150 times 80%. Hindi naman ito mabayaran. So 20% discounted naman siya. So 120. Ngayon yung mga senior citizen, they are having that privilege ng mga obvious that has a 20% discount. Bayad ka as long as na kay senior citizen card may pakita sa Next, number 3, we also have personal selling. So the term itself is personal, person to person or face to face. We have one-on-one. So this is when salespeople talk to the consumers one-on-one. So kung makita niyo personal, yung kahit nasa telephone or dapat sa personal. So explain and send ka ha? Meet up? Meet up. Okay, nag-meet up sila. Mas like, hindi yung mga foreign transaction nila sa to. So it helps build relationships and answer customer questions directly. So advantage na nila personal. So pwede ka makapagkana. Or even makita na nila product itself. Compared na, ngayon gamit ako online, nakabalo sa pagabot sa product, o makapagin na siya sa picture. So compared sa personal, advantage siya kaya makita nila. Or direct ang mga communication sa buyer and seller. So another way or innovative way of selling or personal selling like what are happening sa ato ang palibot, especially sa mga video is that so yung observe gamit sila o megaphone. Okay, so first gamit sila o motor na yung mga icebox or na yung mga phone nila kaya nasunan sa isda. At the same time gamit sila o megaphone or mga pre-recorded na audio matunda na yan nila nato sa pampalibot sa inyo sa punta so yun sa kuya sa iyan isla yeah. Okay, wala mo yung kailangan
Patay, luto ng siya. Patay, pinalakas.
wala mo yung kailangan so personal selling, pwede po basa the common examples of personal selling are
Sales representatives, real estate agents, insurance agents, bank relationship managers, direct selling agents, product demonstrations, trade shows and exhibit management, event marketing, and personal engagement.
okay, so those are the common examples of personal selling. So reminders also or take note also that once you're going to engage in personal selling or someday nakaibalidya, so consider also yourself as an asset or nakai-fixing personality. Right? If you are selling personally, one must have a proper grooming and personalizing to attract your customer. And syempre, dapat attract feedback sa iyo mga buyers.
Hindi ko doon ito na.
Okay, maligo, magpakumpong, may pangputan nila. Makupan dyan, so kapalit dyan, buwan sa nila. So, dapat proper pleasing personality. Or even you're going to apply for a job, naman sa qualification, dapat naka-pleasing personality. Especially kung nag-engage ka ng mga customers, frontliners ka, so kamalo ka, or dapat mayan ay mga pamitsura pagkatas ka. Number 4, we also have the public relations. Pwede kung masa.
It involves businesses that gain good publicity through new articles, press releases, or sponsorship to build a positive image. It helps gain customer trust without directly selling.
Okay, without directly selling, wala sila ng media. Ang ipasok na sa public relation, nakapromote na sila ng product by engaging themselves in a program or in an event. For example, nag-sponsor sila. Diba? May mga contest o mga beauty contest. So dahil ang show, may mga awards, ano na ninyo na nag-sponsor sa make-up, nag-sponsor sa crown, or nag-sponsor sa award na yan niyata. So it's something na positive, ang image na ilan na tulad sa palibot or sa mga tao. It's because nagtabang sila or nag-donate sila, for example, sa eskwelahan. Magunggan na ito na may mga businesses na mag-donate sa eskwelahan ng mga materials. It's one way also of promoting sa ilang products and services na we offer. So, public relations. For example, the employee, ano makita niyo yung sinitride na nasa highway na ay karakula na barakada or kanang sa pedestrian lane, yung employee na makita na i-donate sa employee para sa signboard na iskilahan ka ala. It's one way also na nakatabang sila at the same time, they are also promoting ilang products or sa company themselves. So, positive ang pamamagitan sila, kaya nakatabang sila. Also, we have paglao. So, last school year, last 2 school years na sila ay financial literacy program. So, tagapaglao, ang mga personnel na tagapaglao sa learner na i-assess nila para conduct sila of financial literacy. So, kung wala pinagbayan, wala na ganyan ng eskwelahan, they're just offering that one para mag-conduct na ng seminar, financial literacy program para makatapang sa mga estudyante. In the same way, sa kung naglaingon, sila po mismo, ang mga customers or the people will create a positive ang ilang image na kung ano ba nakatapang sila sa mga estudyante sa eskwelahan. So, ganun sa ilang paglakan ng mga programs na nag-engage na in public relation. So, the term itself na public, mga tao sa public, and then relation, they're building the positive relationship sa mga tao in the public. Okay, we have the common examples also of public. Masa the common examples of public. Public
relations are media events, press conferences, corporate social sponsorship and partnerships, influencers, collaborations, public service announcements, community engagement and events, crisis management and reputation repair, social media engagement.
Okay, so those are examples, or common examples of public relations. So the last one, we have direct marketing. Nakawala na answeran that's direct marketing. So using direct marketing, the businesses send messages like emails or texts or brochures directly to customers. Directly. Dili sa personal, but again, although directly habang wala siya gagamit or compared sa personal that's face-to-face or one-on-one, kanina is nagamit siya ang email, send sila ang messages sa inyong inbox sa mga email address or sa inyong cellphone number. May mga promotional messages na ito makitaan, yung nag-send ang Globe, yung nasa promo, or nag-send ang Smart, yung nasa promo, na call and text, or sa internet na promo na ilan yung offer. So with the terms of na directly, ikaw mismo matagya sa number, ikaw may makatawa sa ilang isend na message. So ikaw nga nakatagya sa email address, matawag mo ang isend sa ilang email address. So it helps target specific people with personalized offers. Offers na product or services or sa ilang business. So like, again, with a common example, ito makita sa mga number or sa mga cellphone, so nag-send ang Globe or Smart, and then sa email address, the company Philippine Airlines, nag-send sila ang promo, na nasa anniversary sale pinali sa inyong email address. Okay, pala basa, last, we have the common examples of direct marketing. Ito mga kita lang.
Email marketing, SMS, or text message, marketing, telemarketing, direct mail, live postcards, catalogs, and flyers, online subscription-based services, and mobile app for push notifications.
Alright, very good. So thank you sa pagbasa. Those are the common examples under sa direct marketing. So mga ito ang lima. With the promotional tools that we have, again, number 1, ito, advertising, number 2,
Sales
sales promotion, number 3,
personal selling,
number 4,
public
public relations,
relations,
number 5, we have
direct marketing.
Okay, so this time we're going to find a partner. Okay, the group na lang, marami na ako, like, tulo, like, okay. So, marami na ako, the pair, we're going to go 2, 4, 6. Dahil sa natulog ko. Yeah. Okay, by pair na lang, paliwan ko, panito mong partner, or, sige ito. Kamang mo ito.
Kamala na yan.
Ako na lang isa ating partner na sila anak. Kaya mungkin man isa. Okay. So we're going to answer, we have this activity, mix and match. So we have column A, these are the 5 relevant promotional tools. Column B are the common examples of these 5 promotional tools. Ano yung mga aton? Ano yan? Yung answer sa mga letters, isulat din nyo after sa word. For example, number 1, advertising. So walang blanco na lang space, isulat nyo ito ang inyong answer na letters. So since full mo na ka-letters, every number, 2 ka-letters ang inyong isulat. 2 ang inyong answer. Okay? So, 2 ka-letters in every number. Balik ko buka sa iyong ngalan sa tumakan na kaya kilit. Labi sa iyong ngalan. Wala ito lang. Kaya? Nakatalan? Okay, yan siguro. Kaya ba siya? Kaya kung ginagin ko yun, personal ako. Yan, na-exam mo eh, Okay, so we're going to answer number 1, advertising. So, asa sa column B or the letters under sa advertising, we have letters. Okay, very good. Or D and I or I and D. So that is 2 points. Yes, we have D is about newspaper, and under I we have TV commercial. So number 2 says promotion. So letters. Okay, very good. Or D and E or E and B. So we have discounts and we have buy 1, take 1. 2 points. Number 3, we have personal selling. So the letters under sa personal selling, we have letters C and we also have letter J. Personal. Use of microphone, opinion, and sales stock. Number 4, public relation. That's or letters A and F. A and F. Number 5, direct selling. We have letter G and H. For H and letter G. Okay, so that's 10 over 10. Okay, very good. So, pala ba naka 10?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Alright. Ito naman. Okay, last. Okay, so yun sa partner sa likod. Okay, everyone got 10. Very good. Mapakap na ito. Okay, next, balik na sa inyong grupo. I'm going to give you a case analysis problem or a case na yung masound as a group. And then, you're going to identify tulula at promotional tools. Ano na po, or paper, drawing yung sila na yung answer, capital K. Tulo lang wala ka promotional tools, kaya paon. So, kung advertising, sales promotion, personal selling, so dito ako focus. So, natawa sa problem or sa case kung unsa nga promotional tools, for example, sa promotional tools, anaan, ana. Okay, again, career number 1 is not for advertising. So, advertising, so kumala sa August, kung saan na mga common examples sa advertising na nada sa problem. For example, TV ads, so sila lang sa Gana, and number 2 na tool, okay. Very good. Ilang minutes? 5 minutes? Siguro? Last na 10 minutes. Well, promotional tools. So, examples mo na yun ng mga nangyay sa problem ang mga sila. Okay, so we have 2 minutes. Okay. Or sasaling, or actually kanali pa naman na talaga. Pero tuloy ay nung isulat. Tuloy ka promotion to sa isulat. So, advertising, third party, advertising sales, third party, advertising sales, hello mga price. Okay? Alright, okay. So, mahirap po sa wala mga grupo na mga volunteer, mga share sila answer. Basta sa mga timer. So, wala ka group 2. Okay, group 4 o group 1. Yan ang mga timer. Isang report sa group 1 or soya sa mga reporter. Pwede ka mo tulong? Group 1 and then we have group 4. Okay, time is up. So, alam po group 1, let us listen to the first group. Alam po rin sa tuma, share your answer to the class. So, alam mo basa sa mga promotional tools na based on the case of the problem.
Morning everyone. Our first is sales promotion. Under this is buy one, take one, discounts, and limited time offers. Then advertising using television, radio, and billboards. Next is direct marketing. SMS promotes email, newsletter, and mobile app.
Okay, let's give 5 claps to the first group. Okay, large ako lang pa ng list of tasty. Alright, let's listen also to the fourth group.
Ano na pangapin ah?
Kaya, pag-voice. Okay, share lang yung answer.
Good morning, classmates. Number 1 is direct marketing, mobile app notification, SMS promos, and email newsletters. Second is advertising, television, radio, billboards, and digital media. Well, katulo is sales promotion, discounts, bundle deals, limited time offers.
Okay, very good. So let's get 5 claps also to the fourth group. Okay, parehas po sila. Nasa may stick. Sa nasa cafe. Palito grupo, pala ito. Wala yung group number, group 3, group 5, 4, 5. Group 3, ay mag-lista. 2, 1. Okay, parehas ako po yung answer. Usually, advertising, sales promotion, or direct marketing, no? Ngayon nabitan. Anyway, na public relation dito o personal selling. Ayan makitaan from there. So, ako lang i-review naman before na mag-quiz. So, we have the 4, what are the 5 promotional tools? Again, advertising, sales promotion, personal selling, direct marketing. So again, when say advertising, it is when the business or businesses pay to show their products on TV, social media, newspapers, or websites to reach a large audience na bayad sila. Number 2, sales promotion are again short term. So short term na siya ng deals like discounts, coupons, buy one get one free offers, to encourage people to buy quickly. Personal selling, that's personal. Customers on one-on-one or personal. Person to person to explain and sell the product. Number 4, public relations involve businesses getting good publicity through news, articles, press, releases, or sponsorships to build positive image. Number 5, direct marketing. The businesses send messages like emails, texts, or brochures directly to the customers. Okay, so dali na siya, 1 to 10, na instruction, na nila. So, gawain yung mga 3 minutes. Pwede yung sundan. Bullpen. May inalan. Okay, Daryl, mag-answer. For second. Hey, kanina na i-box. Sorry. Kanina na i-box. Okay na i-box. Oo. Kanang 1 to 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kanina yung picture. Ayan na, pila sa likod. Balik mo na. Kana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ang choices niya nasa box. Pero, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, na yung mga ibang pinwa words, ang choices nasa box. Ang 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, inyo ang i-identify kung saan sa picture sa 5 promotional tools. So, yung natin sa 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, katong 5 promotional tool. Pili na mo sa 5 kung saan siya, o saan siya ang picture na naadira. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, katong 5 ka promotional tool. So, kung may answer niya, magpili lang mga tool kung saan naa sa picture nga ipakita nila. Advertising, wala siya. Sales promotion, wala siya. Personal selling or direct marketing or public relations. Again, choices for 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Personal selling, wala siya. Advertising, sales promotion, direct marketing or public relations. Second. Personal, face-to-face. Direct, right? So, direct personal, face-to-face. One-on-one. Ano mo sa customer, ano mo ang ikaw ang namaligyan na natira ang siya. It's very personal sa'yo. Okay? Kaya mo nasa box, may choices sa 1 to 5. Okay, we'll check.
Hindi na.
Okay, I guess manatanan. Wala pa. Wala pa. Or na naman na pwede na, exchange with your seatmate. Okay, exchange with your seatmate. Okay, exchange pa yung wala pa. Number 1, answer for number 1. Okay, very good. We have K. Number 2, third. Number 3, one-on-one. Number 4, positive. Number 5, directly. Number 5. Number 6, so personal selling. Number 6. Number 7.
Direct
Okay, we have direct marketing. Number 8, advertising. So, through social media, Facebook. Number 9, sales promotion. Number 10, we have public relations. So that's a total score of 10. Okay, ako baon, buka 10. Alam ko, submit direct. No. Okay. Okay. Alright, so Manan halos for 9 ako ako 10 and also my 8. Kaya at least leave na mo. My 9, my 8. So halos na ako ako 10. Ako na ibalik ako na i-record din. Gawas mo naman siya sa exam. No? So I hope you learned something today. So to end this discussion, so verse 1, read the Bible, Matthew 5, chapter 5, verse 16. So let your light shine before others, that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven. So same way, advertising, or just as advertising, and promote ka sa products and services. This verse also encourages, when I encourage na to, as believers to shine our light and share good works to others for us to inspire other people. So that's the end of our lesson for today. Thank you for listening. God bless and goodbye, class.
Goodbye, Sir Magaman. Thank you for teaching us. Be happy always, mabuhay.